Okay, trying to get this 60 Pontiac engine going. This hasn't run since 1986, and had a couple of problems with it. Was mainly in the distributor there. The wasn't making a connection. The little jumper ground lead had a cold solder joint on it, so I have jumped a little lead in there that's being pinned down by the distributor cap up against the frame there, so it should crank over and run now. I got a gasoline in a can, fuel pump off a car that was running, and let's try it out here. Gonna put a little primer in the carburetor, of course. A couple of squirts. See if she'll run for us. If not, we'll call the fire department. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, a little bit. There we go. Very nice. Oh, wow, that was a spit. We'll have to check the float level, I think. Maybe the float's sticking. Until next time, well, hey, let's see what we got here. Try it one more time. Nah, looks like the float is stuck. Okay, we'll try this again later.